Hi there, I'm Professor Shannon Wright, your instructor for this course, CTC 101, and welcome to your first week in Term 4 at Post University. I'm excited to work with you this term and can't wait to get to know you better over the coming weeks. I know that beginnings can be intimidating, so I want you to know that I'm here to support you along the way. This course is designed to teach you the skills and strategies that you need to be a successful college student. Each term, students tell me how valuable they found the course and how much they learned about themselves in the process. Each week we cover topics that range from financial literacy to learning styles to time management, and I can't wait to dive in and learn together. My biggest piece of advice as you get started is to learn effective time management strategies from the start of the course. You should plan to spend around 30 minutes or more each day completing your reading and your various assignments for the course. If you get stuck along the way and need help, I'm here to support you, and you can reach out to me through phone call, text, or email. I will be posting announcements 3 times a week on the announcements page in our course that give helpful tips and strategies for you. So please be sure to check that each week, and also check your student email for communication from me. I can't wait to get to know you this week on the discussion board, and let's make it an excellent first week.